Mine's on.
Let's see.
Okay.
We're on.
And we're on.
Hey, you want to do the tour with your cute
look
little
at me.
outfit today?
Have you got it on? I'm so tired. I just jumped in the bouncy house.
The bouncy house.
Randy, look how good it looks right here. Look how cute everything is. Oh my gosh, everything looks so nice and busy. And
well, while we're up here, we've seen the Lexington was completely furnished, and we've got to do a video on this.
Yes.
And I think with Amanda all dressed up real cute today with Halloween.
Amanda's wore out. Look at her hair. Amanda's lost her mind. She's in there jumping in a bouncy house. But anyway, so we wanted to come here, and it's called, what is this one called?
Lexington.
The Lexington?
Yep.
The Lexington. And it is a 10 by 20 sugar?
24.
10 by 24. I love the green.
You know what? Let's go here.
Okay.
No, they tell you what. Let's do.
Okay.
Let's say we're coming up here. All right. And I'm somebody who wants to know and look at the models.
So I need a pocketbook. I came to buy Lexington.
And look, we've got some information on the door. Let's read.
That's true.
What is this?
Hey, Nicole.
All right.
I'm wore out
This
from
is
that
a
bouncy
Lexington.
house.
It's a 10 by 24. Here's the floor plan, the look, and all the amenities that's in this. $79.9. And Amanda,
Yeah.
this has got, go ahead and tell on the outside. Let's walk around a little bit.
Okay.
And
Well,
Mandy, you talk about the architecture.
The architecture. Okay, well, anyway, so, of course, this is maintenance-free siding, and that is just going to be a dream of anybody who doesn't want to be staining all the time. Like, it's beautiful to have a stained home and everything, but this right here, you never have to worry about. You might want to power wash it or something like that, but you don't have to worry about this at all.
Great that you said that, because right behind you is siding.
Is a power
that has
washer.
not been stained. It's
Yes.
raw, regular, and you can see how the sun has darkened this, and this.
And listen,
But it's
this,
live edge,
to
and
me,
it looks pretty.
To me, this looks pretty and stuff. So if this is the kind of look that you're looking for, and this is what you want, that's fine. You could also stain this if you wanted to stain this, and it would protect it, and it wouldn't, you wouldn't have it looking this gray color, like weathered, or poly it. You know what I would probably do? The way it is now, after it's been weathered, I would probably poly it, because I would want this gray, weathered, kind of live edge looking, rustic
put it on, let it weather, then poly it.
That's what I would do.
And then back to this one.
But back to this one right here. This is beautiful as well, but it's a different beautiful, okay? So, but what's the warranty on this? 50 years?
God, it's forever.
What the heck? I mean, listen, you're going to be dead by the time, so don't even
Oh
worry
my
about
God,
it.
Amanda.
Oh, don't worry about it. Hey, listen, it's happy Halloween. Don't worry about it. We can say dead a lot today. Listen, you're going to die. Don't worry about it. It's going to be took care of until you're dead. How about that? what a warranty, right? So,
Till death do us part.
till death right here. It's fine. But this right here, we have...
Siding till death.
Hey, wait a minute. Can we get that purple color? Can you get different colors like that?
You know, I can't remember if we painted that purple on that house or not.
Oh, good question. I mean, I really don't know. Anyway, I just want to show this. This is the maintenance-free siding. It's beautiful.
Low maintenance, very low maintenance. Nothing's maintenance-free, but yes.
Well,
I understand.
okay, you got to
Tom gets on me on that. He said, Randy, it's not completely maintenance-free.
Okay. All right. Well, do you want to tell the story? You want me to tell the story?
Man, come on, I thought you knew more than what you're doing.
I'm wore out is what I am. Well, I want to can you just do a turnaround and show the black LP siding, and there's the blue, so there is different colors to pick from. You can see where a couple of people picked the black, which I love the black color. That looks fantastic.
And look at the black over here with the dormer.
Oh, it looks great. It looks great. And the white trim, and of course, look at the corbels right here. This was a big deal. You know, when Randy was looking into doing models and stuff, he always talked about California and the kind of like the craftsman style houses back in the day. And California had a bunch of these beautifully architecturally looking homes that look super fancy. So that's kind of what he wanted to do. And right here with the faux rafters and stuff, that just looks so cute. I've learned so much from Randy about dental mold and faux rafters and corbels and the big overhangs right here. See this underneath here? Which this is your gable, correct?
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
So that little bit of pop of color, you've got the green color in there, which the green and black. You know what? Green and black would look good, wouldn't
Yes, it would.
I would like that green and the black. I'd like to have one done like that.
What black you mean on the bottom? Like lap siding?
Yes, and put green and that'd look pretty, or vice versa.
Wow, that
either
looks
or.
really, really
I like
good.
different colors like that, but these colors are beautiful too. Turn around to this one right here. This I think is like an oyster kind of color, and then you have that beautiful blue that's on there.
Is that not the same color?
No, that's not the same color. This is lighter, and this is more like a darker tan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that?
Really pretty.
Well, back
Anyway,
to this one. We keep
all right.
coming off of this one.
Well, that's okay.
There's so much here to view, you know?
And look at it up there. Got the dormer up there, but that green with against the white. You've got the windows that are. Listen, we talked about safety first with these windows. You're going to be able to get in and out if there's any type of a fire or anything like that. You're going to be able to get in and out of those right there.
Hey, look, Amanda. If you get right there by that window and stick your hand straight up in the air like you're reaching for the gutter. All right. So from the top of your hands to that gutter might be 4 feet. 4 or 5 feet.
Okay.
So think about it. If you're hanging from that window.
Oh, that's what you're doing. I didn't know what we were doing. Right.
So if you're hanging from the window, you're only going to drop 5 feet. You only snap 2 femurs. That's it.
Listen, do you know what dropping 5 feet would do to me? Oh my God, get in this house. Come on, let's go in.
Be like a sack of flour hitting the ground.
Oh my God, can you imagine?
Right.
Okay, now you're not ready for this, okay?
All right, I'm looking at your boots.
Look at my boots.
All right, I'm not going to look up.
All right, look at my boots on this floor. You're going to love this lighter colored floor.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Come on in. Oh, yes. What have we got going on in here?
Boom.
Wow. Melody's done a great job. Please, I need to do a shout out, and I want you all to really brag on Melody and Chris. They have done a great job because my time has just went away to nothing. Randy and I, our days have we've had to delegate so much. And I have never, ever, ever, ever let anybody decorate for me. But I saw her house, the way she decorated her house, and I was like, you know what? She's got it. She can get this done. And she's done a fantastic job. She knows how to pair colors. She knows what it needs. She knows what a little bit is, not too much. I think she's done a fantastic job, and it has made all the difference with our customers and the people who are touring and everything to come in and see a home that is actually decorated to where you can see some type of a scale. What does it look like with the couch in there? Where can I sit the couch? What's it going to look like the windows look like with curtains and stuff? With the toppers. What about a little table? Where am I going to sit to eat? It makes a big difference. She's done a great job. Just putting the little touches on here and stuff just makes it look so nice. Look at this little kitchen.
Yep.
Your fridge will
goes there. Yep.
Fridge will go right here.
And that's for a nice size fridge, man. You can almost put a full size fridge right there.
Absolutely. Yep. That looks beautiful.
Yep. And I like the way it's designed because you've got your air exchanger up here.
Yes.
Your mini split here, and it crosses all the way into your bedroom.
Yeah.
Like with no problem whatsoever.
Well, now let me ask you about this flooring. What type of floor? Is this tile?
Well, it's still a vinyl.
Oh, I didn't know
it's
that.
It's still a snap vinyl like you do the wood floor grain, but this comes in a tile look.
I did not know that.
Yep. And of course, our models come completely like this with the stained, I'm not sorry, polyurethane trim and white walls. Now, we're getting a lot of calls that people want all white. I like the distinction of a little bit of wood in here, but people are wanting white, so that is
one of the reasons why they're wanting white. When we went up to the Amish the last time that we went up to Kentucky, Beverly's house was up there. Beverly had, and that was her, they have 2 homes, and she did her home, and I think it was a Charleston, in all white.
Man, people love the white.
It was pretty.
Was Luann's all white? Her ceiling? I think it was. The Christmas house. They love.
I'm not sure.
All right, so
let's talk about that.
All right, so talking about Luann's.
Yes.
Luann's is a popular home. She had it so beautifully decorated, and it was so cozy, and it was Christmassy, and it made that house pop.
Oh, it was a beautiful home.
All right, so now when I walked in here, this was really similar to Luann's, but the kitchen was on one end, and the bathroom flipped on the other end, right?
True.
So when I came in here, I just wanted to point out the bathroom is laid out just like the Luann.
Yeah.
And this L-shaped kitchen has become really popular.
And it's super functional.
So the Amanda has got this type of setup with the door shoved down a little bit in the hallway with a massive bedroom, and it's 12 by 40.
Man.
And it's 150 grand.
Holy cow.
12 by 40, and a ton of appliances are added to it, different colored sinks. There's just so many cool things that comes with the Amanda. I like this because you know what? I'm here. I'm actually in the kitchen, but in the living room, in the dining room, and it's nothing but a huge congregating area.
It is.
I like this a lot.
Well, the kitchen, as they say, is the heart of the home.
Yeah.
And so whenever you're sitting here, if you're reading a book or if you're watching TV or whatever you're doing, you can sit here with friends, talk with them while someone's in here preparing food and getting ready to have like a little party or to have a little dinner together. It's just super nice and very open, very easy to flow around and walk around. Look at all the floor space. So, and this is what's the size again?
10 by 24.
10 by 24. Now let's go ahead and show this bathroom that we're talking about.
Now the Augusta is a 10 by 24 with a different floor plan. I just get excited about our models.
I know. They're great.
Because you got a kitchen bathroom, but the 4-foot little room in the back. This one's got the L shape with the big, huge fridge area and a living room, dining room area too.
Well, there's a reason. There's a reason why you went to models, Randy, and then you picked out all the things that everybody had wanted over the years, and put them all together and said, "This is a good, well-rounded amount of models to suit everyone." Man. Okay.
And it's built around this beautiful big living room. Amanda, I think a lot of people get a little bit tired of their tiny homes because you have to move 10 different things to get in the room.
To get somewhere. And it's not fun.
This has got this big living room with a regular sofa that you're not, even men are not our customers usually, and men want big rooms. This can accommodate so many other people because of this big room. You know what?
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
Hey, you do the bathroom. Let's go.
Okay, so let's go to the bathroom. Of course, the shiplap on the sides, the white walls, beautiful. I love the contrast. I love the white too, but I'm not sure exactly what I would do if it was my home. Have I got a microphone on?
You did. It's underneath.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure it's still there. But anyway, it's right there. So the barn door and everything, and they've got that with the wood. Now, this is a nice bathroom.
Yeah, look at the size of this thing.
Look at the size of this bathroom.
So what's in this thing? This is for the washer and dryer, right?
Washer and dryer goes right here. You can do a stackable washer and dryer, and we talked about yesterday that you can still do a...
Wow, that looks huge.
A combo washer and dryer, and then you can also put a rod across here. Did you show that over here? Yeah. A rod across here and hang your clothes up, so you have that option right there.
Back here, I just wanted to get that. It just looks so big.
It is big.
And you got a lot of room to turn around.
It is big, but look right here where you could put the combo at the bottom.
Right.
And then you could put a towel, put a rod and then hang up your clothes there. Okay, so you've got that option.
Yep.
Of course, here's your shower.
36-inch shower.
36-inch shower, plenty of room to get out, towel off, dry off, whatever you want to do. Water heater is under here, 19-gallon water heater.
A little bit of storage.
Electric right here. But what I love is this little section. Look how this looks right here. Very nice, very clean. Plenty of room here.
And to sit on the pooter shows how much room we got.
Don't say that.
We'll take a break then.
Do I have to sit down? I worked out yesterday and my legs are super sore. So,
beautiful.
Yeah,
you've got lots of room in here.
Yeah.
Wow.
I love it.
So the Lexington is what's created this bathroom, different than the Augusta or the Dalton.
Yeah.
And it's just different because the staircase is in the back, and because of that, this shower can be 36.
Look how big, how big. And two, this is, a lot of people who don't like, and I kind of understand it some, but then I kind of don't understand it. Like, it really doesn't bother me to have the kitchen across from the bathroom.
Right.
But this solves that problem right here. This isn't near the back. The kitchen's back there. You're back in your bathroom. Now, I've took a shower. I'm wanting to go upstairs and go to bed or whatever. All my clothes are down here. I've got a little closet, whatever. So now I'm going to go upstairs. Okay.
With this, I like these steps.
Super.
In the back of the house.
Yeah. Yep. I love the contrast. I love the white walls. They've got the stairs that are natural. It's got the polyurethane. It's just super cute. Going up, look how cute Melody has got this. Great job. Here, let me show that.
Yep.
Number one, I bought this. This matches my boots today because I like the cow shag look. But she's used some of my decor, bought some new decor, has done a fantastic job. Look at this. Beautiful. And of course the windows, Randy. Talk about the windows for safety.
There's two of them up there.
There's
one in each
two.
dormer. This is a double dormer. Lots of room, a lot of headroom. This loft is over 80 square feet.
Yep.
And we never include that when we actually calculate the square footage of a house. It's 10 by 24 is 240 square feet. So actually it's over 300 square feet.
Oh my goodness.
If you include the loft, yeah.
So much that you can do with the lofts. I mean, if this is an extra bedroom for whenever your grandkids or when you have a guest that comes.
Now you say, you know, we call it a loft, but because of the staircase, it's actually like a 2-story.
True.
And where you're at, you can stand straight up without hunkering over.
I can.
You know?
Here, kind of show that.
Yep. And that's why we leave that last step.
And I'm 5'6".
And you still got room above your head.
Ow, sugar. Oh, there's an air exchanger right there.
Yep.
Well, I got boots on, so I'm probably 5'7" in these boots.
Yeah.
So, and I still have room.
Yeah, and so you just sit down, and this is made to sleep in. It's not made to store clothes and all that stuff.
No.
That's what my suggestion
You
is.
don't want to be carrying clothes up and down into up here. This is where you go up here, relax, go to bed, come up here and read a book, watch TV. You could have you a little office up here. So there's nothing wrong with that. Have you a little office.
Yeah.
And probably,
Oh,
let me
here you
try,
go.
look, here I go, what, Treaty?
The skeleton's crawling.
Okay, here, let me show over here.
Wait till tomorrow.
Oh, listen, it's going to be a mess. Okay, so here is the loft. Look at the view from the loft. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. And I'm telling you what, that floor does look really nice, light like that. And that is flooring. I mean, the what's it called?
Tile. It's a vinyl tile.
A vinyl tile.
Simulated tile. Yep.
It looks like real tile. But anyway, there it is, the view from up here.
God.
Isn't
This
that-
floor, now this floor is a 2x6 spruce tongue and groove floor. We've always used a 2x on our lofts.
Yeah.
It gives it that strength, and you don't have to have your floor joists so close together. You can spread them apart. We used to do our log cabins like this, but look at the finish on it. Man,
Oh, it's beautiful.
I've done $79.9. Guys, come and look at these things. You can go anywhere in the country and you're not going to find this style home for this kind of price.
No.
There's no way. No.
See, oh, and we need to talk about sprinkler systems.
Yep, that's
I
what that little
believe.
orange
Are
thing.
we not the only tiny house company in the industry that does sprinklers?
You know, of course, somebody could have installed one last night and I don't know about it.
They could have installed one last night.
But
oh my gosh!
as far as I know, yes.
We're not that up to date with the news, Randy.
No, so we're, you know, I would say, yeah, we're the, if not the first or the only, that's actually including sprinkler systems in all their wood stick-built homes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Safety
Right.
first. Yeah.
First, man,
Yeah.
just say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye and
Probably get a
happy
hold of us.
Halloween. Oh, number one, like, share, and subscribe in this video. Comment. We love your comments and stuff. I try to go through your comments and go down through there as much as possible. So does sales. They try to do it as much as possible as well. We're gonna go live tonight, and excuse me. So we're gonna show the events that's going on tonight because it is Halloween, October 31st, 2023. But thank you guys for watching. If you are interested in any of these homes, interested in the Alabama property, interested in anything with the tiny homes, have questions or anything, sales at incredibletinyhomes.com, info at incredibletinyhomes.com. You can also call us at 423-438-0111. Book a tour. Book a tour, even if it's just for a fun day. Even if you're not interested in tiny homes and you just want to come for a fun day, go to Pigeon Forge, go to Gatlinburg one day, come over here one day, tour the houses. You will change your mind about it. If you have any kind of interest at all or just kind of want to come and just tour it for the day, book a tour. You won't be disappointed. It's a lot of fun.
This is tiny home heaven.
This is tiny home heaven, and we've
mean,
always wanted to say that
Look at all the tiny homes
we
have
want
here.
this to be known, Newport, Tennessee, to be known as Tiny House USA. We always have.
Yeah, this is the destination.
That's right. We're a destination. Choose tiny and live free.
Bye.
All right, bye.